Model 2015 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC 1.6CDTI Sportive MOT'D needs turbo body, white, panel van mileage 139863 MOT. The 7th of January 2024 engine 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E58 transmission 6-speed manual front wheel drive mechanical summary starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, engine is perfect just needs turbo replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on